Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'll show you how to install OpenGL in your Windows 10 machine using code blocks. So let's start. If you are new to my channel, subscribe the channel and like the video. Open your browser and search code blocks. Click on here download. Click on here download binary files, and here you need to download this one. Code blocks version and MIGW setup. Click on here and the setup will download. I already download for time saving. And the second file you need to download from the description is cult32 for the file from the description of this video. Now move to folder where you download your code blocks. Click on exe to install. If you are new to my channel, subscribe the channel and like the video. Take a little time. Now if you want to run code blocks, click yes, otherwise no, and click next and finish. Now copy the file you download from the link of this video description and paste it on desktop. Extract it here. Open the folder and the second window in parallel. Now you need to copy this file on the specific locations. First click on download and copy this girl32.dll. Go to C, Windows, and then here on in system and this, and paste it here. Second we'll copy this girl.h, again C, program 86, code blocks, minw, include and gl, and paste it here. And the third one is girl32.lib. Back one time more and paste it here inside lib. Go one back and copy this path till make w. See in w. Run code blocks. Let's take a little time. Now code blocks is open. Click on file, new and project. Now here click on girl project and go. Next, type the project name, test, select the demo, select the path where you want to save this folder, the project, and click on next. Now here you need to paste the address you copied from here. C, program files, code blocks, make w till here. Now click on next, finish. Now click on here source, w, and here include hash, include windows.h and save. Click on here to build and run. So good luck guys, your OpenGL is installed on your Windows 10 machine with code blocks. If you have any query or suggestion, feel free to comment below. And if you have suggestion, feel free to comment below. Subscribe the channel and like the video.